Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching my video, you're highly welcome. And please kindly hit the subscribe button. And also click on the bell so that you can get notified when I post new videos. Thank you. I'll be doing a full face makeup tutorial in today's video. I already have a video on skin prep, so I didn't do any skin prep on this. Okay, I'm brushing up my brows, taming them with edge control, a concealer, a dark concealer to conceal my brows so that when I draw them, the effects will come out nice. Now I'm using my gel liner to draw my brows. I use gel liner and I also use pencils. I use both. In today's video, I'll be using just the gel liner to draw my brows. Draw your brows, create a shape that you desire. I will advise you follow your natural brow lines. That's where you have a fitting. So I followed my natural brow lines here. I'm filling my brows with the gel liner here. Then I brushed up my brows with a spoolie to have a natural look. Then I went in with my light shade of concealer. This concealer is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. This is LA Girl concealer. It's Toffee. Toffee is the shade Toffee. You don't have to be perfect the first time. You can make mistakes, but keep trying to amend your mistakes. If as you're applying the concealer, you mistakenly touch the parts that you're not supposed to touch, you can still go back with your pencil or gel liner, redraw the line, and then continue concealing. Keep doing it till you get it. No one is perfect. We all keep trying to do better. And I went in with a darker shade of concealer at the head of my brows so that it will match my skin tone. I use that same dark concealer for the top of my brows also, to line the top of my brows to have a natural finishing look. While you are concealing, if you mistakenly cut the tail of your brows, you can redraw it back with your pencil or your gel liner. Everyone makes mistakes, but learn to correct them. With time, you get better. Just keep practicing. Keep practicing. When you are done lining your brows with the concealer, go in with a brush and brush it into your skin. Brush all the concealers into your skin so you don't have harsh lines. Brush everything to your skin so that everything will be well blended. Now I've moved to my second brow. I held the brush in a way that it wasn't comfortable for me to draw using that hand, so I had to switch it. I had to turn it so that I'll be comfortable. So there is no particular way of holding your brush. You hold it whichever way that suits you, whichever way you'll be comfortable to draw with. You can hold it like a pen. You can also hold it any other way that's best for you. Okay, I'm still going back in with that dark shade Espresso to conceal the beginning part of my brows. This is an angle brush. I'm using an angle brush to conceal my eyebrows. If you're watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And also give me a thumbs up. You can also drop a comment on this video. If it was helpful to you, drop a comment and then share it also with your friends so that they can watch and learn also. Then please hit the bell button so that you get notifications when I post my next videos. Thank you. I use a small brush to brush the excess concealer into my skin. I blended everything and then I use the concealer as my base for my eyeshadow. I just use that same brush to blend the concealer into my skin so that I will use it as a base for my eyeshadow. And then here I'm doing my transition with a brown eyeshadow. Yeah, blend it. Blend. If you want your eyeshadows to come out nice, learn how to blend. Make sure that there are no harsh lines. When you have harsh lines, your eyeshadows will not look nice. Always make sure you blend. Any color you put, blend. Make sure there are no harsh lines. Blend. If you are applying 2 colors, 3 colors, make sure nobody sees where the colors mix up, where they meet. We should just see the transition. And a seamless transition is a sweet blending, a perfect blending. So you blend. Then I added a yellow eyeshadow also. I blended it, blend. Don't forget, always blend, make sure there are no harsh lines. Then I went in with an orange color. The orange color, I applied it on my eyeballs. I have hooded eyes, so you may not see the color popping out properly, but I needed to do a soft glam, and I don't want the colors to come out so shouty. That's why I went in with the concealer instead of the eyeshadow base. After blending, I applied my foundation with a brush first, then I now blended it with my beauty blender. This foundation I'm using is from V Beauty Cosmetics and is the shade V Java. I will drop everything I used on this video to create this look on the description box. Then I went in with my LA Girl concealer for my highlighting. I used the shade Toffee. That's the brighter shade, the same shade I used to line my brows. Then I went in with a darker shade Espresso. I mixed these 2 shades so that my face does not get too bright. If you have a dark skin tone like me, do not use bright shade of concealer to conceal your face. Make sure you mix it with a darker shade so that the dark one will blend into your skin and it will not make your face brighter than your body. So just blend everything into your skin. Makeup is blending. You blend the concealer, blend it into your skin. Make sure as you are blending it, you don't spread the concealer all over your face. Just target the highlight spots. Just target it and blend it into your skin. Make sure there are no harsh lines. Blend it seamlessly. Keep blending. Make sure that your beauty blender is damp, not soaked. Make sure it is just damp, because if it is soaked, it will not work. And then if it's not wet enough, it's going to be taking the product away from your skin. It will not be able to blend well. So the best way to use your beauty sponge is, after wetting it, you squeeze out all the water. Make sure it is just damp so that it can do the work. You blend it into your skin. Keep blending. Blend everything. Make sure it just glues into your skin. I went in with my blush, my liquid blush. And then when you're applying the blush, be careful. Now, to apply your blush, you keep your face normal. You don't have to smile. Smiling while applying your blush is wrong, because if you smile, your cheeks are lifted. And then when you're not smiling, it comes down. So if you apply your blush while smiling, your cheeks will be lifted. And then when you're not smiling, your blush will come too low. So the best way to apply your blush is you keep your face normal the way it is and apply it, so that when you smile, your blush will be lifted. When you're not smiling, your blush will also stay in place. Then I went in with a little brush to contour my face. I contoured my nose first. After contouring my nose, I went in with my setting powder. When you are applying the setting powder, you want to be careful. Press it into your skin to set your face. Press it into your skin. You also apply on your forehead. Make sure you don't apply too much on your forehead, so your face does not appear too colorful. You set your nose also. You bake. This is the baking stage. You want to make sure that it is well baked, so that by the time you finish, the finished look will be awesome. Bake your face. Then I went in with a brush to brush out everything, the excess products. I brush it up. After brushing, I went in with my powder. Then I also went in with a powder blush to top up my blush. Then after that, I went in with an eyeliner to line my eyes. The under eye, as you can see, I didn't dust off everything. I kept some because I have not yet lined my eyes, and then I have not yet applied my mascara. I'd like to keep that powder under my eye, keep the setting powder under my eye while applying all of this, so that when I'm done, I can dust everything up and apply my compact powder to my face. So here I am. We can slow dance naked in the moonlight. We can get so down, wasted out of my mind. It could be difficult doing it yourself at first, but then don't give up. Practice makes perfect. Keep practicing. If you have teary eyes and you are applying this eyeliner, just look up. If you feel the tears coming out, look up, and then if you have a cotton bud, use it to clean the eyes. Then I'm going with a yellow eyeshadow to line my under eyes. This is nice, like it's lovely. So I'm mixing it with an orange to line my under eyes. Like, it's nice, I love doing this. This takes your makeup to the next level. This takes it out of the ordinary. This makes it look sweet. Then I went in with my mascara. I applied mascara on my natural lashes to lift them up and set them well. So after the mascara, you can see I went in with a small brush to brush off the setting powder from my face. Then I still went in with the blush brush to go over it again on my face. Then I highlighted my face. You can see. Then I sprayed my face to set my face. Then I went in to my lips and I started applying the lipstick. Yeah, I went over with a brown again to have the seamless finish like I seen with the lips. That's the matte look, but I wanted a glossy finish, so I applied a gloss on top of it. Yeah, you can see it's lovely. Then I went in with a brush to clean the excess products from the corners of my lips. Yeah, I removed the excess products, the excess gloss from the corners of my lips. Well, thank you for watching my video. I'm applying my lashes here. Yeah, you can see. Are you seeing my skin? Are you seeing that skin is like glass? Then I went over with my setting spray again to set my whole face. Then here I am doing my edges, laying them down. We can slow dance naked in the moonlight. We can get so damn wasted out of our minds until we're happy. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and share with your friends. See you on my next video. Bye. Away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what to do, yeah. I'm a diamond.